and welcome back to my channel. Today I am exposing a user from Twitter X known as Soft Bunny Cream. Now, here is a clear understanding. The person is using Cream the Rabbit to post NSFW on their Twitter X profile. Now, I'm going to make this fully clear that Cream the Rabbit is a child and she is a kid and a minor. The person has joined Twitter X since February 2026 and has been posting nothing but an SFW of Cream the Rabbit, who is a underage character and a minor as well. So for anyone who sees this person on Twitter X or knows the person, my suggestion is do not follow this person. Just block the person from your profile and do not associate with them. With all that being said, goodbye.